Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Audi A3 2.0 T Premium. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 129,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include Sport Package auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.